Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to do a quick rundown, very short tutorial of the Vivint home security app. And the reason why this one's going to be extra short is just because I'm not going to burn through the whole app, because there's a lot of personal information and things that we have that I'm just going to give you the rundown of actually how to use it if you guys are contemplating having Vivint or definitely using the app. But anyway, we're going to just basically go through the things that you see right here. So obviously here down a bit below in the security portion of it, you can then see that I'm currently have my back door unlocked. So if I want to actually do that, I can actually drag this over to the locked part, or actually just click it, and that's actually going to communicate and lock my door right now as we speak. I'm currently disarmed, so if I want to actually hit it staying or leaving, I can do that right here from my phone. The great thing about this too is it obviously is all can communicate through your Amazon Alexa or anything like that, which is really awesome. You don't even need the app for a lot of things. Obviously, you need it to disarm it because obviously anybody could turn it off. It will always activate, but it will not deactivate without your codes and all that stuff. So, but if you wanted to stain, this is what you want to do if you're sitting around on a Sunday watching football. You want your house secured so that anybody that breaks the door sensor will set your alarm off, but it will not actually trip your motion detectors or your glass breaks or anything else that you might have. So that's really awesome to have. And also, if you're kind of you're leaving but you have a large animal, there are sensors that can help with the animal sizes. But I, as one can testify, they don't always work. So obviously, if you come over here to leaving, it will activate every sensor that you have in your house, and will automatically set the alarm off if anything gets tripped. So, and obviously I can come back here and unlock my door as well. You can come over here to your cameras down below, depending on how many cameras you have, whether you have a doorbell camera or a back camera, front camera. And that's really awesome because it records your clips before, during, and after the sensors are tripped. The great thing about the doorbell ones is they're not actually tripped, just when somebody presses the button. It obviously will start recording when they press it and when they leave, but it's all based on motion as well. So most of the time there can be multiple clips saved. It will get them typically walking up to the door when they press the sensor. Even if they don't press the doorbell, it will still grab them, which is really awesome. And it will usually last some time while they walk away as well. So that's really awesome. And you can go down to the activity and you can actually see what activity's been done. It actually tell you what I just actually locked my door and unlocked it. It'll tell me what time I did that. But the greatest thing that I can't show you just because there is some personal information, and that's up there in the top 3 lines in the top left corner. There's all kinds of little settings you can put in there. You can set other people to have codes to your house. If you're going on vacation or you need somebody to check on an animal or check on the house, you actually give them a particular code. Let's say you give Johnny Appleseed 1111. As soon as he types in the 1111 into his system, it's going to report in that activity down there in the lower right corner. And it's going to tell you actually Johnny Appleseed unlocked your house at 1:03 p.m. And it obviously will tell you when he arms your system when you leave. So that's really awesome. Say somebody forgot to arm the system when you left, you just come in here and you can actually do it yourself. Not a problem at all. You can also do that with the door locks too. So that's really, really awesome. But there's all kinds of other options up there. I apologize for not going through all that with you guys. I just don't want to have to blur anything out or go through an edited video just because there's some personal information. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below and I'll do anything I can to answer those. And obviously you can come up here to your settings. There's some more personal, that kind of tells you what we have. So obviously I'm not going to go into that as well either, but it'll tell you, you have front door, back door, side door, cameras, all that kind of fun stuff. It'll be set in there. And actually right here, right now, I could actually set the alarm off if I wanted to, so that if you ever are in a distress situation, you can actually use that app and go ahead and turn it off. So that's really awesome. That's basically just the basis of what I'm going to show you today. I hope you guys like the video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe down below. I could use every subscription out there possible, every watch minute out there possible. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the process of YouTube. And if, like I said, I hate to be that guy in all my videos, but if I can make money through YouTube, then I know so can you. But I'm showing you how you can do it. So, early on, we try to do, how to set up a YouTube channel. Nothing terrible. There's a lot of people that do a lot better than I do, but the whole point is to pump a lot of content out there. I do a lot of unboxings, reviews, breakdowns, stuff like that, screen recordings of apps and how to make money, how to save money, everything under the sun that helps benefit my life. I try to push off to you guys and let you know what might work for you as well. But if you guys like that, feel free to subscribe, check me out, ding that bell, and give me all the support that you can, because we need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that is not an easy thing to do with the YouTube's policies these days. It's not like the good old days where you just needed 10,000 watch minutes or anything like that. But they've evolved because they're really trying to limit it down. But anyway, they're cracking it down, and we're seeing if we can still make it with today's day and age. So hope you guys liked the video. Come back and check us out, and I hope you guys liked it, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. See you guys.